Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move Outlook to a new PC. This is incredibly useful when you're upgrading your computer or switching to a new device and want to preserve all your emails, contacts, and folders exactly as they are. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your current computer. Once it launches, log into your account and let it fully load all your emails. This step is important because it ensures that all your data is properly synced and accessible before we begin the transfer process. Give it a moment to complete the loading, especially if you have a large mailbox. Now that your email has loaded, we can begin the actual process of moving Outlook to your new PC. Navigate to the File menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This is your gateway to all the important account management features in Outlook. Once the File menu opens, direct your attention to the right side panel. Here you'll see an Account Settings drop-down option. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear before you. From this list of options, you'll need to click on Account Settings again. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's how Outlook organizes its settings. After clicking, an Account Settings window will appear on your screen. Within the Account Settings window, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Start by clicking on the Data Files tab. This is where the magic happens, as this section contains all your Outlook profile information. From here, look carefully for the Outlook profile you wish to move to your new PC. You might have multiple profiles listed if you've used different accounts, so make sure you select the correct one. Click on it to select it, then look for and click on the button labeled Open File Location. This action will launch a File Explorer window, revealing where your Outlook profiles are actually stored on your computer. You'll see your Outlook profiles stored here as PST files. These PST files contain everything: your emails, contacts, calendar entries, the whole works. Simply copy the PST file you need, transfer it to your new PC using a USB drive, cloud storage, or any method you prefer, and you'll automatically load the current state of your Outlook onto the new machine. Once on your new PC, you can import this file through Outlook's account settings, and everything will be exactly as you left it. And that's how you successfully move Outlook to a new PC, preserving all your important data in the process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.